Okay, first we are going to cut the bar of soap into little chunks.
Looks like cheese.
Kind of feels that way. And make sure it's a bar Ivory soap, a new fresh bar out of the wrapper.
That soap makes my eyes water. I don't know why.
Okay, then we're going to take it and we're going to put it on the plate. Just like that. And then we're going to take it over here to the microwave. And we're going to put it in for 80 seconds.
Wow. Very funny.
Okay.
I'm
And
scared.
let's watch the soap.
I can't be by this microwave. What is it gonna do?
It's not doing anything. It's supposed to get really big and fluffy.
Ew, look at it. It is. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's crazy. What the heck?
Oh, that's so cool. Jeez.
Oh my god. Look at it.
Oh, it's getting really huge.
Because you put it in the more for 80 seconds.
And that's our bar of soap.
Let me see it. Ew, it
Oh, it
stinks.
feels cool.
It stinks really bad.
You can mold it. Sounds like an old person.
Like an old person. Let me see it. That's so weird. How'd you find this out?
My mom posted a thing on my Facebook for it. Like, it's supposed to be like cool for like little kids, so I wanted to try it before like trying it with Olivia.
What do you do after?
You can mold it, you can put color on it, like food coloring and
Really?
stuff. Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's all like.
Yeah, I think.
It looks like tofu. These
Well, I
big
took it
pieces.
out. I took it out early. Like,
That's nuts.
it's weird. Yeah, it's definitely not done all the way.
Yeah, because